Assalamu alaikum. Today our question is how to prove a plus b whole square equal a minus b whole square plus 4ab or a minus b whole square equal a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Let's start. First, we know that a plus b whole square equal a square plus 2ab plus b square or a plus b whole square equal a square plus b square plus 2ab we can write, or a plus b whole square equal a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 4ab. We can do 2ab minus from 4ab, then we get result plus 2ab. I hope you are all understand. We can decorate it 2ab, thus minus 2ab plus 4ab, or a plus b whole square equal a square minus 2ab plus b square plus 4ab. Therefore, a plus b whole square equal, we can make a rules from a square minus 2ab plus b square, such a minus b whole square plus 4ab. We can see that a plus b whole square equal a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Prove it. We can just make a square minus 2ab plus b square a rules from a square minus 2a plus b square. I hope you understand. Then we can prove next corollary expressions. So let's start. First, we know that a minus b whole square equal a square minus 2ab plus b square. or a minus b whole square equal a square plus b square minus 2ab we can write, or a minus b whole square equal a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 4ab. When we do 2ab plus with minus 4ab, we can get, we will get result minus 2ab. I hope you are understand. I says again, when we do 2ab plus with minus 4ab, add, I can understand to try plus 2ab, sorry, 2ab plus with minus 4ab. Then we will get the result minus 2ab. I says again, when 2ab plus 2ab add with minus 4ab, then we will get the result minus 2ab. I hope you are understand. Or thus way we can decorate it, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 4ab. A minus b whole square equal a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 4ab we can write. Therefore, a plus b whole square equal sorry sorry that is maybe right minus. Let's see. All right. I write again. I cut it or delete. Therefore, sorry. Therefore, a minus b whole square equal a plus b whole square minus 4ab. We can see that a minus b whole square equal a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Prove it. Prove it. Last page we can see, so a square plus 2ab plus b square. It is a form of rules a plus b whole square. So that is proved, a minus b whole square equal a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Thank you for watching my video.